5 steps to manifesting anything you want. Are you only getting a fraction of what you really want out of your work and personal life? Are the things you are wishing to achieve taking way too long to come your way? If so, you might want to start manifesting specifically what you want in your life. So what exactly is manifesting? Bear with me here. Manifesting is acquiring the experience of what it is you want to feel, and being, believing and living in the experience, and then allowing that experience to come into form. Whether you wish to manifest something big like a successful career or small like a holiday, it is up to you. It all begins with putting the right messages out there into the world. Lots of people think that creating a vision board is enough, or trying to hustle to make things happen is the answer. The reality is that manifesting something is a subtle energy. It's about assuming the experience of what it is you desire before the reality even comes into form. Manifesting falls under the process of creating. Manifesting as a creative process using your power energy. You need to play an active role in co-creating with the universe, which paradoxically is helping things that you want in your life to come into fruition. According to best-selling author and A Course in Miracles teacher, Marianne Williamson, miracles occur naturally, and when they don't occur, something has gone wrong. That synchronicity, that flow, that effortless action, is allowing things to just show up. We actually as human beings get in the way of synchronicity due to our fears, our limiting belief systems, our anxiety, our anger towards the past, future tripping or projecting. All of that energy gets in the way of allowing all the miracles to happen and occur naturally. Here are the 5 steps to manifest what you want out of life. Step 1. Get clear about your intentions. What it is you want in your life. Do you want more success? Do you want to attract a partner? Do you want more financial abundance? Whatever it is you're yearning for, crystal clear clarity is the secret ingredient to achieving what you desire. This clarity also gives you an understanding about your negative belief system, which are all those beliefs that might be holding you back. Step 2. Clear out your limiting beliefs. Commit to eradicating the limiting beliefs that are stopping you from believing and knowing that you're worthy of what you want. This takes courage. Your belief system and believing with conviction is what allows your desires to become a reality. Have the courage to look inside to identify all the limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Whether they're fears relating to commitment, fears relating to financial abundance, fears relating to your past and future. Get clear about these. Step 3. Let go. You cannot let your outside world dictate your internal condition. Release your disbeliefs, and in that presence of believing in yourself, you allow abundance to come into your life. Step 4. Practice patience. The most important step in the manifestation process is patience. A Course in Miracles says that those who are certain of the outcome can afford to wait, and wait without anxiety. You cannot control, grasp and manipulate the outcome, as this will block the actual order of the universe. You're blocking the positive energy to flow. Step 5. Be ready to receive. The final step is to have the patience to be really relaxed, believing that the universe will bring you exactly what you want and desire. To be in that presence, knowing that you are ready to receive, you're in the presence of knowing what you want.